Morning, guys. I just wanted to come on here real quick and just make you know that I'm alright. This was just a misunderstanding and it just blew so much out of proportion. And me cannot even blame nobody or tell them to them overreact, because these are just persons who are concerned, overprotective, and just care for me, right? So I'm really honored for sister people will like go the extra mile for me and then care so much. So what transpired is me going on one taxi for town, me I pay for town, and him take a detour. Me never like that. My phone the too. Who knows me? No say my phone always are dead. Always. Me not charge my phone unless it dead. It just crazy. Sick personality of me. Now me know say me have to buckle up and change up that. Again, in detour max, and when I going to say I drop off something right here. So real quick, but I say me not like that. I send my man my live location. It go up on one tick. I say that online. It go up on one tick. I send it in the group. This is my safe space, by the way. I tell him say be a fuckery. Me not like say that money I turn off when you just watch my location. So basically I just say I need to just watch my location basically. Him stop at the toll, me come out. I came out. Cause I'm paranoid as fuck and I know how them thing I can go. I mean not trust nothing like me not trust nothing like me not trust that. So me come out, my location in the group, me literally see them and say, me see the location stop. Some of them call me, me answer. Just to clear up some speculation and allegations like me being robbed and fighting off man and running in a somebody else naked. Just out of pocket, like it goes to show you like the level of.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If made it upon the beat, and you can see upon on the screen. That girl, yeah, one big liar, you know, and also dancehall artist, gang baby mother, is a part of the lies too. You see, I said, because these people have been found guilty of harvesting people's energy for views so them can get ticket sales to them birthday party. People putting in the comment section, if only did that thing, say that thing I did real with that girl, yeah, Stunna, Sky, whatever her name, risky girl, right? Right. Yesterday, me get sent a whole heap of DMs with this thing, right? These pages wanted me to collaborate with them, posting these things and things that people is missing. And I said, no, me not do it. People on my TikTok say, King, the girl missing, the other TikTok is talking about it. So I say, if this is a lie, I'm going to send them up on them mama wickedly, right? And that is why you see them come out here and address things. You see, I say, because this was one big promotion for them birthday party. And as I told you in the beginning, Skeng Baby Mother is a part of it too, right? Because she had posted up after all the drama that sources say that they have eyes on her and all of these gangster thing. Put in the comment section what you think about this now, because me say what them people really are dealing with. And no, we see birthday party being presented that is scheduled to be for today the 30th. Put in the comment section what a coincidence, you know. So them use like, you know, this iDrive, InDrive business, because, you know, it's a bad thing in Jamaica. A lot of people be missing through that app. And, you know, so people can't, you know, deal with it like Uber. So that's why them come with that cacamoni story, you know. And it's unfortunate that people like Jasmine Dean, Jaden Smith is still missing, and these people is out here playing games, right? So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
Things that people will say, like input in a situation to make it seems worse. Again, my understand said the misunderstanding forwarding when my phone dead, I never get to communicate. So I guess they were too concerned and too scared. Them get alarmed by me sharing my location. But the thing is, guys, I saw the location move, right? Me literally go back in the direction where me that come from, which is like 2-hour journey. Theme phone dead, we just in the car silent. Theme phone dead, the charger in my other car, my car charger in there, the charger them in that other car, because I drive the other car earlier. I forgot to take out the charger and etc. So me have to wait. But I came to realize that I was missing, and me did I get posts all over social media is when me reach at the hotel. I reach at the hotel about 11 o'clock, literally 11 p.m. So I reach at the hotel, my daddy I check in, and me hear one of the receptionists, whatever, over the counter say, "Are you name Sky?" I say, "Yeah." She say, "Oh, somebody just asked me." I say, alright, yeah. So when me get the charger now, I'm plugging my phone in the lobby part. Can me plug in my phone? Because I mean, me have to use my phone now, because me online so long. That's normal for me. Me love screen. Me have screen time addiction. So me not being online so long, me have to just get the phone plugged in now. As me plug in the phone, me see more than 100 missed calls come in. Me never take it away and me I say, oh gosh, come back to the people in the group and reach out to me. When me go in the group now, I see like all of the messages are coming in. Again, the reception down the inside the bad. So for the whole time when the phone the one I maybe not answer like on the toll part. Another thing, me they call my mother while me in the taxi and tell her say me I come back down her, me I come down her yard now. So I understand my mother part. That's why me have to reach out to my mother. Can me call her and tell her say me I come down her yard now. So I understand my mother part. Cause for me tell her say me go come and then me never end up come and me not update her and tell her say me turn back or me come out of the taxi and me did in a or you understand me understand my mother point. But in the group I think they just blew it out of proportion, out of concern. So me now go downplay it and say uno wrong for like concern and go the extra mile and all of them things here. But I think it could have wait little. I just 2 hours. The prank situation, that just crazy. I am not a prankster. Me not do that. That is not my type of content. I trading me do. Why in the last part and the second part and the middle part of my brain would I formulate a prank of me being missing? Why would I do that? Me never come and say me missing. So again, me don't want to act too ignorant with people being concerned. I just want misunderstanding and I understand. Me forgive it, me understand and I move up. As much as this is so shocking, this situation, me literally a shake. Me a tremble and a shake. Cause first to say you missing so much people are put up and all of that. It literally shocked me, so I can't imagine how other persons actually felt. Because me seeing myself me so shocked me. And like me I say, what kind of sign this? It hurt me, it shocked me. Me really shocked. Me have last words, cause this just whoa. Me can't believe. So why would I put that negative energy so then something upon me? A serious situation that and this happen like the people daily. People end up missing, people get take away, all of that. Me just never take no threat. All I did was send me location to my man and a safe space for me. Them say me location stop, maybe then get panic. Me phone dead. Me was offline for 2 hours, reach at the location, turn on the phone, see all of this. Again, all of this just transpired so fast. It's crazy to see how much people love me. I appreciate that. The reason why I'm not company here earlier from last night is because my phone was blowing down. Me literally, I don't know how so much people get my number. Me literally I get about like 300 missed calls by the minute. Me get call from police come. Me so like you don't want to understand how much like the whole of this one time was so much for me to grasp. Like me I try to talk to my mother because the whole of Tivoli concern everywhere. Be people there in my mother yard, like it was crazy. The most things me ever say I'm in a 2 hour. And again, if I that effort I want to put out for persons within these situations for real, like people, I think that is good. That is good, That is good. That is good. But sometimes, I don't even say sometimes, because it just never did reach so far. I understand if them could have reached out to somebody for me and like, but not put me up, say me missing. Me not like the energy there. Not like them doing it, but me just not like say, it did have to reach social media yet. Like in the group, me not think it should have go out there for cause so much alarm. If I understand, so people really care, especially my mother. So from my mother perspective, me really hurt. Like when I'm in church, so much people called, so much people was concerned. I don't even understand like so much. And see I deal with all of them, so me have to deal with people like police all day in my yard. Me have to deal with them something away. Actually, happen rather than me understand some own one explanation or one update to my alright, so I'm okay. I am smart, guys. Me don't know what the intention was. Me don't know if him did want to just drop off something, go pick up something for true. Me just never trust it. Me send me man my location. I want it, so me just go to the group. Me don't normally do that. Me just then at the group. Me I say, you know what, my phone I dead. Make me do this. Me call man and tell her so me soon come at town. Sorry, start again, guys, cause me not believe me. Me really shocked. Me never know. It are the craziest thing me ever seen in my life. I'm prank with me being missing and then something. Why me that do that? I could never ever in 1 million years. Me rather prank and say me a breed. Rather if me really for say me I gotta take up prank. Rather prank and say me a breed. Prank and say me never know why would I really me call prank and my thing. Me not prank. Me not prank. Me's not a prankster. What me a prank for? All me did do, me did just concerned about my safety too, basically. Me just paranoid. I over paranoid, me did paranoid for just sending at the group my location. Was I too paranoid to do so? Me just did do that. Me mad. If one case somebody now want let me jump out, cause if I that me love pull car and I want to jump out a car. So there's never a case where it's stay in there. Me would stay in there. And the thing is, people in the group literally I say, guys, you don't know Sky Station. Now I go come. Me know say I'm dead or phone dead. Some of them literally say, me answer some of them and literally I say, hello. Me not hear them, it fail. Then my phone dead now, it dead. Again. Maybe just studied right here, so I am okay. Thank you so much for caring. If they scared you or if I scared you in any way, I am so sorry. Like, I know my intention, like, none at all. I know my intention, none at all. This is scary for me. I'm sorry for put, not even me, I'm sorry because I'm going to put like my family in a stress and worries. Like, who knows how this would impact my mother because of misunderstanding and basically lack of communication from me, I guess. So I can blame myself right there, but it was out of my control. Me never have no charge and when me that go take like 1 hour and 40 minutes, right? me reach, me charge me phone, me come online. While them a text in the group, me literally a text. So then choose to show the screenshot. Me literally a text and say, guys, I'm okay. This is before me know say they on Instagram, you know, and TikTok and live and people are me yard and all of this. Me literally a text in the group and I say, guys, I'm okay. But it depend 3G, the message them now go through. So when me get the Wi-Fi password now, then go through. And me I say, guys, me alright, man. You know, you me tell them so when me reach one, me that talk to her. Come my phone did a dead, me never get to explain enough. The phone just dead. Right? So again, thank you so much for your concerns. I am okay. I am okay. I am okay. The allegations of me being robbed, me being raped, and everybody will try say the most because this and that. Like, that for sure no the wicked said the situation was real. You have some people just hate people and just wicked because the things them want to say don't make sense. I don't know wrong. And for the people we just say they don't know what happened, we not try blame people, not try say the most. I am not stupid. And me no love clothes so if you can do all of this. This is crazy. My duty is to come in here and make money. Me only do things that are beneficial to my business. Oh, me being missing are beneficial to my business. Oh, me here and say me get raped and me get all in something like a bit. Why make I do that? Anyways, again, thank you. Thank you. I know when me don't say this crazy, me I take and they say some people are just like maybe me never even know if I explain like some people maybe are clout and them refuse to understand say the situation is not what they made it or what it is like where they make it seem. Me literally I text in the group and some of the people must say a distraction and a me I text literally in the group they must say I know shit like oh them that pull my phone, oh them that get in on my phone. Me a text, me put the call with my mother and police, but me literally a text in the group. Me a text in the group for update them because I didn't concern and they make it reach so far. Me I say them a say I know me. Don't know, cause I love chat, but I think we just deserve that explanation there. This was never my intention. And I'm positively sure, I'm not gonna blame them. I'm sure, positively sure this was never their intention either. Or them did that with a good intent. But I really appreciate the concern, but I am okay. I just a misunderstanding as I say again. When I say already and again. Thank you so much. I just left this here so. Alright. And I feel so bad say that type of energy there and negativity and people mouth. I rebuke all of them something there too. I not like that and I not blame nobody. I do not, but I just feel that way. I deeply hurt. I know other people hurt too. I deeply hurt. And but I never ever want this to happen for real in my life because that like energy and feedback and everything from this, but that's something we would even want. Again, you have some people concerned, you have people who say the most, do the most, and create what they want bag a narrative situation. Alright, bye-bye.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you're buying what she's selling. Just a quick update with paparazzi app, but the case is over, my people. Just probation. It's a say. Me even think so them pay restitution, to be honest with you. But yeah, she's out and about. But then she posts up, she's at the dentist's apartment, so eyes not all that either. So it's a good look. They was facing 15 years. They just have to stay away from Lululemon store, especially one in Minnesota. If they violate that order, I would say it would be violation of their probation, so they'll be locked up and have to serve the 3 years out of the 15. But it look like them can still thief, because that's all Mrs. said. Them have to stay away from Lululemon stores 200 feet. And that's about it. You see me? Anyway, people, when I go along with this no longer, you see me? Bless.